Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I know it's been a little while, and I know I keep saying that for multiple videos, and I'm sorry it's been so long since I've had an upload, but I just wanted to go ahead and share this process with you real quick. Probably a 5 to 8 minute video real quick, just to go over the latest mod, if you will, that I'm putting on old Vanessa back here. So if you see right here, got a little laser crosshair going on. I've just got it turned on, getting ready to go, but I wanted to walk you through the process of what we're doing. And if you notice, it's right here on the front quarter panel, kind of halfway around. Got a really awesome little package in the other day from Boosted Scat Pack. If you don't know who that is, check them out on Instagram. I'm sure if you've seen any of my videos, you're in the Mopar world whatsoever, you've seen all of their stuff. But if you look up at Boosted Scat Pack, I'll put it in the video description below. But also, I just wanted to show you this. Now granted, it's obviously already open, so no unboxing here. But actually, HemiFam just did this on his Charger Scat Pack as well. So make sure you check out his video. Again, I'll put that down below. But once you open it up, everything's right there. Really nicely done. I mean, it seems like a really simple box, but they really take care to ensure that everything gets to you in mint condition. So with that being said, and without further ado, I'm going to take that off, and what we're putting on are these bad boys. So there's been a little bit of contention as to whether or not your car is supercharged or naturally aspirated, which, you know, because he offers either just the antennae or the horns. I like the horns, so that's what I'm putting on my car. With that being said, with the laser, I've set it up, and I'm getting ready to measure it and everything. I'll show you that process here in just a second. But just talk you through it, and then I'll do a quick time lapse. I'm gonna do 16 inches from the bottom, because I think that just looks really nice. And then we're doing 4 1/4 inches from right here. So I'll line my laser up with that. This is a Bosch laser, 30 feet or whatever it is. I think it was like 45 bucks on Amazon. You can get it. You can find similar ones for considerably more. They project further, whatever the case may be. But this is what I've started using for stripes or things like this. So Daniel and the guys over at Preium Auto Styling turned me on to using this, as well as a few other people on Instagram. It's been really helpful so far, so I'm super stoked for it. Like I said, 45 bucks, even if it only works for a few months, which I'm sure it'll last longer, but it's been on for probably 10 or 15 minutes, no problems whatsoever. I've used it a couple of times before this as well. So I told you it was going to be a short video, so let's get right to it. Okay, so we're 16 inches up and 4 1/4 over, and what I'm going to do is, once I peel the backing off, so they put really thin adhesive on here so it doesn't stick far away from the body panel, keeps it all nice and tight, really clean appearance. So with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this where his chin is on that horizontal line, and the back of his head is right up against the rear line, and hopefully you can see that. Sorry, my hand's in the way. And once we get it all lined up, stick it on there, hold it for a couple of seconds, and we're done. Now, what I suggest, and let me bring this up close, is that you take a little box cutter. This is a knife specifically designed for cutting vinyl wraps and things of that nature, but obviously we do a lot of that here. But just getting this into the very edge and lifting so you're not tearing up the adhesive right here. As you can tell, it's very thin. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus. Okay, so right up here on the edge, we got that lifted. Let me see if I can show you. Right there. And then just pull away and you'll see that clear plastic start to lift. And then from there, just working it back all the way around all the little small areas. See if I can do this where you can see it. And just like that, we got one solid piece that looks exactly like this. So throw that off to the side. Stepping in front of the camera like you're not supposed to. But then, like I said, what's great about this laser is I can hold this right on the spot where I want it. And get it lined up. Probably just hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, let that adhesive set. We're in business. Okay, so obviously, really quick, short and sweet, down to the point install. It looks amazing, and I'm so stoked with the way this satin or black finish or matte black finish contrasts with the little bit of a metallic sheen, as you can see from the reflection of the wrap. I'm absolutely in love with this KPMF Autumn Fire. It's almost like a burnt copper color. And then, like I said, this satin black or matte black accent just really sets it off and breaks up kind of the monotony in this area. Huge shout out to Boosted Scat Pack for producing these. Really great price. You know, he was instrumental in designing it and bringing it to the market, where you could take the standard 392 and bring a very custom, very elegant, but at the same time aggressive as hell appearance to your car. So thank you so much. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button for me and consider subscribing. I'd love to continue bringing more content. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, smile more.